In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make text form to a shape. I'm going to be drawing a circle with the ellipse tool, or L for shortcut. Click and holding Shift, drag to create the circle. Next, get your type tool, shortcut is T on the keyboard, and type in your text. I'm going to hold down Shift and scale this up. Next, we need to make sure the circle is to the top, so we can go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. Select both objects. Go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. If you need to edit the text after you've created the object, you can either do your direct selection tool, A on the keyboard, to select the text, or if with your black arrow you can double click to select the text. You can change your font, and it's going to continue to keep that object in form. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.